Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to answer the question which dividend stock is the best one to buy, Waste Management or Republic Services. I want to give a shout out to B-Matic, a subscriber that requested this video. Remember, if you would like to see me do any videos, you can request them in the comments down below. So let's get right into it. Now I'm going to judge these two stocks based on their capabilities to deliver passive income, to deliver dividend growth. So I'm going to judge them based on which one is the best dividend stock to buy. Okay, so I'm going to look at it from a dividend investor's viewpoint. And starting with the dividend yield, I have here pulled up Republic Services on the bottom, pays a dividend yield of 1.46%. Meanwhile, Waste Management delivers a dividend yield of 1.7%. The next metric I wanted to look at is diluted earnings per share over the trailing 12 months and dividends per share over the trailing 12 months, because companies pay dividends out of earnings per share, and the better their earnings per share, the better their capability to deliver dividends. It's like a household. You can't spend more than you earn. That's not sustainable. It's the same for businesses. And looking at this metric, we see Waste Management has done an excellent job increasing its earnings per share from a little less than $2.60 in 2014 all the way up to $5.50 in the latest trailing 12 months. Meanwhile, its dividend per share has increased nicely all the way up to $2.60. So less than 50% of its earnings are paid out in dividends. That is sustainable, and that is possible to increase this dividend over time. Looking at Republic Services on the bottom, it also has done an excellent job of increasing its earnings per share from a little over, I'd say a little over $2.50 here, all the way up to $4.93 in its trailing 12 months, and a nice upward trend here in terms of earnings per share growth. The dividend per share also has increased nicely over the years, ending with $1.91, and looking at it in proportion to its earnings, it's also it's less than 40% of earnings per share, the dividend per share. So I would say Republic Services dividends are more sustainable and also offer more room for growth compared to Waste Management, although they've both done an excellent job of growing earnings and growing dividends. The next metric I wanted to look at is revenue growth quarterly, going back to the same time frame. And looking at Waste Management, it's had fluctuating revenues, very mild growth if you look over the years, ending the most recent quarter at 5.49% revenue growth. And Republic Services, meanwhile, showing much better growth, ending at 19.54%, and the growth rates accelerating as it offers more clean, more ESG friendly services than Waste Management does, and it's forecasting better growth in 2023 as well. So revenue growth favors Republic Services over Waste Management. Finally, I wanted to look at their valuation and to measure. I chose to use the forward price to earnings ratio, and according to this metric, they're very similarly priced, both at a valuation of 25.5, 25.17, so both at a forward PE of 25. So if I had to answer which one of these two dividend stocks is the best one to buy right now, according to the metrics that we look at and the prospects going forward, I would say Republic Services offers a better potential return on your investment right now. So if you had to pick between these two stocks, I would go with Republic Services. All right, that's all I've got for this video. Once again, I want to thank BMatic for requesting this video. And if you have any videos you would like me to do, any companies you would like me to compare, please request them in the comments down below. I have a long list going, and I try to get to them as quickly as I can based on my rotation of coverage. And it really helps to see what you would like to see me do, what type of videos you would like to see me do. All right. I truly, truly appreciate your viewership. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you'll come back and see me again for another video next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.